My name is Jessica Kuhn, and I wanted to share with you my workshop titled Getting to the Heart of Things. I wanted to share with you guys a little bit about heart disease today. We're going to start off at a little lighthearted note, though. Found this meme while I was preparing, and I thought it was really funny. Panicked by coronavirus, diabetes, heart disease, and colon cancer, not so much. And she's sitting there with a bunch of fast food and snacks and things. I just thought that was really funny and applicable as, the coronavirus will go away, but all these heart and other health issues that we have won't unless we deal with them. So hopefully that gave you a little bit of a chuckle. I'm going to start out our workshop today by showing you a little bit of a YouTube video. Wow, she is quite the storyteller. Stories like that were part of the reason that I started looking at heart disease. It does affect Black men a little bit differently, which is why she was focusing on that. They are judged before treatment. They lack health care often because they don't have the resources or they live far away from the health facilities. Because of these statistics and judgments, like what happened in that video, 1 out of 3 Black men will die from their first heart attack. This means they need these skills that I'm about to share with you a bit more than most. But it isn't just Black men. One person dies every 36 seconds in the United States from cardiovascular disease. About 655,000 Americans die from heart disease each year. That's 1 in every 4 deaths. That's too many. Some of those risks for heart disease include alcohol. For men, that would be anything more than 1 to 2 drinks at one time. You can't just save it for the weekend. It could be anything more than 1 drink for women just because we're more petite. If you have high blood pressure, especially stage 2, your heart risks go up. If you have high cholesterol or diabetes, especially untreated diabetes, if you don't exercise and you're very sedentary, and if you smoke, all of these things increase your risk of heart disease. There are things we can do though. All is not lost just because you have a higher risk for one thing or another. You can become more active. The goal is to aim for 30 minutes of vigorous exercise 5 to 6 days a week. We'd love to do 7, but we always need a day off, right? Avoid more than 1 to 2 alcoholic drinks per day. Stop smoking and follow a healthy diet with lots of fruits, vegetables, grains, low-fat dairy products, beans, nuts, seeds, and lean meats, such as chicken or turkey. Start small. Don't overwhelm yourself. Possible changes that you could make are to add more fruits and vegetables to your diet. Say add one to lunch and start changing the little things. The goal is to work up to getting half your plate full of fruits and vegetables. Find a fun form of exercise that you enjoy, something you look forward to. Maybe it's dancing, maybe it's basketball, maybe it's a game of soccer with your friends, maybe it's just going on a walk after dinner. Work on something that you can fit into your time schedule. Another thing would be working on swapping out soda or the high sugary beverages for water, 100% fruit juice, and milk, as long as it's low calorie. Here's another meme that I thought was funny. Fatty foods are unhealthy and may cause heart disease. Make sure you eat a diet high in carbohydrates and sugars, aka don't sub one dead food for another. Take it one day at a time. Don't throw in the towel because of one day of bad choices. Remember, this isn't a quick fix, but a new lifestyle. One bad day will not ruin all the good choices you are making. And a statistic that I found that was amazing was even one change can lessen your risk of heart disease up to 45%. That's a lot for just a little bit of effort. I wanted to ask you today, what change can you make to lower your risk of heart disease? Thank you for your time. I appreciate it, and I would appreciate any of your feedback. Thank you.